Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat with the trade of the day. Actually, it's a trading lesson of the day, and it's on what we call a death hook. It was on SIGM. Now, this was one that the chat room was all set up, ready to go. That's the Grok Grad chat room, and here it was. It was high basing, then it did a little dip, and it was high basing again here at about 10:30 market time. And so several of the members in the chat room had their order set up here. I had mine set at 1693, and we were trading some other things at the time. And let's see what happened next here. What happened next was, boom, look at that, broke right out here, and I missed it. I didn't get in. It's a limit order here, and it blew right by me, and several other people in the room were like, oh, darn it, we missed that. But look at this, explosion to the upside. And this dash line up here is what we call the R1 pivot line. Pivot lines, if you want to go to investopedia.com and read about those are lines of possible support and resistance, which I talked about in my last video. And this is the R1 pivot line. It's based on the prior day's price action, so you can only use it for intraday trading. But look at it, went up here and hit it, but look at the volume. Explosion in volume. This is the first part of a death hook. It met all of our trading rules here for a high base slash ascending triangle, and it broke out on that. So we would normally try to get in on that. Would be what we call a high probability entry, but it's only a probability. It's not a certainty, because it went up here, hit its head right there, and it immediately started to pull back. So again, if I had gotten in this at the 1693, I would have had a 1% attached stop automatically activated, and that would have been down here at 1676. And now let's see what happened next. Bam! Look at that! Bam! And look at that, dropped here a total of 3.5% in just 2 minutes. And look at the volume. So this is what we mean by a death hook. Is it pops out with increased volume, sucks you into the trade, and then bam, it just collapses down, and then it dropped 3.5%. So did I stop out? Yeah, if I had stopped out at my original stop here at 1676, it would have been for minus 1% in 3 minutes. So the point is here that, again, all of our trades are about probabilities and not certainty. And the probability, well, it was a high probability entry when we got in here, but it immediately turned around, and with huge volume, it ended up dropping 3.5%. So this is Mark the Meerkat. Always trade with this trading stop. And if you want to join us in the Grok Grad chat room, you can if you go to groktrade.com, and then go up to Grok Grad Trading Room. We're open from 9 a.m. to about 11:30, and that's Eastern time, so you can adjust it from where you are. We have people literally from all over. We had someone from Croatia trading with us today, as well as the U.S. Someone from Hawaii has been trading with us. The market opens at 3:30 in the morning for them, and yet he wants to be in our chat room to see what we're doing and learning what we're doing. And you can come in too for 6 weeks as well. Just sign up here for that 6 weeks trial. Now we're about to launch a brand new update to the website, so it's going to look similar to this, but again, groktrade.com and the Grok Grad Trading. This is Mark the Meerkat. Just remember, you always have a stop to protect yourself from the downside. Mark the Meerkat, trade well, and may your winners run.